ClickOnCare.com, the largest.
This is Ankita from ClickOnCare, back again with a new product review. Today my product review is going to be on Pro PL. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And while you're there, press the bell icon to never miss a video update from ClickOnCare. Pro PL, this is a protein powder for pregnancy and lactation women. This keeps the baby and the mother healthy. This is marketed by British Biologicals and it is trans fat free, cholesterol free, gluten free and enriches with saffron. And it is an hemoglobin booster, bone health nutrient. It improves your bone health. Then it has 28 essential vitamins and minerals and it is 100% natural sources. The main ingredients of this product is it contains milk, soy, and vitamins, algal oil powder, and many other. This helps the mother and the baby to be healthy if the woman is pregnant and after pregnancy. So this is it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, like, share, and comment. And if you want to purchase this product, you can visit our site www.ClickOnCare.com or else check the link in the description box. Thank you.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and